Alright, so are you tired of posting videos onto your cash cow channel and not seeing any results? You're probably doing this one thing that's hurting your potential to grow. So in just a few seconds, I'm going to show you what you're probably guilty of doing, and don't worry because I've done this as well, and what you should be doing instead. So let's get started with this video. So the one thing you're probably doing when it comes to starting your YouTube automation channel or your cash cow channel is that you are probably being too general, okay? And you're not being specific enough. So here I have a few examples of a few niches and how they niche down. Because what I've learned from starting multiple YouTube channels is that the more niche you are, the better chances you are of succeeding on your YouTube channel. So sorry, I'm just making sure that my recording's on. But again, you're probably being too general. So when people first start YouTube automation, a lot of times I get into calls with people on my Patreon or my YouTube course group for my students. They say that, hey, I'm in the channel of sports. So here you can see that here's an example of a sports channel. They're called Nonstop Sports. And the way they started is that they didn't start by doing top 10 highest paid athletes. This is too general, all right? They didn't start by doing top 10 best basketball players. That topic is too general. If you go into videos and you click some of their oldest videos, you'll see that they targeted, they tried a few general videos, but they targeted specific names of athletes. And this is what I did with my sports channel that has worked very, very well. Instead of doing, top 10 best shooting guards in the NBA, top 10 best athletes in the world, those topics are way too general. And so in order to kind of be more specific and niche down, especially when it comes to the sports niche, target names of actual players. So here you can see that they target Zion Williamson, they target Kawhi Leonard, they target Giannis, they target James Harden. So mix these types of specific videos targeting names of athletes, mix these into the fray of general top 10 videos. So because I can almost guarantee you that if you start a sports channel and you're making videos like these general videos here, top 10 highest paid UFC fighters, top 10 worst teams in the NBA, that's almost a recipe for your channel to not work because it's too general. No one is really typing worst teams in the NBA. I mean, don't get me wrong, some people might be, but you're more likely to rank and appear in the algorithm for a term like Zion Williamson, which someone is actually typing into the YouTube search bar. So if you're in the sports niche or planning to start the sports niche down and target names of athletes within your videos, right? Kevin Durant. Here we have George Muresan, Kevin Durant again, Damian Lillard, Michael Jordan. So that's my example with that. Now, if you're in the celebrities niche, the way you want to approach this is very similar to running a sports channel. However, instead of targeting names of athletes, you would just target names of celebrities. So here is a very good example. We have a channel here called Viral Vision. If you click on videos, you can see that every single one of their videos has a very popular name within it. They don't just do celebrities confronting each other. It has Travis Scott, Drake, and Kylie Jenner. This video has Amber Heard, Emilia Clarke. This one has Zendaya and Tom Holland. This video has Joe Rogan, Jake Paul, and Tyrone Woodley. So as you can see, there is a lot of named people in the titles within these videos. So that's what you need to be doing if you're in the celebrities niche. Instead of doing top 10 celebrities, weirdest talents, or top 10 most famous celebrities, instead of doing general videos like those, target some names, because people are typing in Dave Chappelle, people are typing in Jake Paul, people are typing in Kanye West and Kim Kardashian. So those specific names are a lot easier to rank for compared to those general top 10 celebrity videos. Now moving on to the next niche that you may be in. If you're in TV shows and movies, here's a channel called Movie Rays, and they're absolutely crushing it. You see how they target really specific names of trailers and movies and upcoming seasons. Love Hard, Downton Abbey, Lock and Key, Coco, Descendants, Kissing Booth, After 3, After We Collided. These types of videos work very well. Instead of doing top 10 best shows you should watch, or top 10 romance movies, or top 10 anime movies, target specific names of movies and TV shows. So I think you get the overall gist of this video, but I'm just going to keep going into more niches that I'm going to try to cover the most popular niches. So the next niche is a tech channel. If you're starting a tech channel, instead of targeting, top 10 luxurious yachts, top 10 coolest aircrafts, top 10 fastest cars, niche down. So this channel in particular, they're considered a tech channel, but they deal with space. So the word that they really capitalize on is Voyager. So if you don't know what Voyager is, it's the name of a spacecraft in space. That's all I know about it. But I modeled a channel similar after Voyager, and it worked extremely well. So if you're watching up to this point in this video and you're in the tech space, I do highly recommend that you try and create some videos related to the Voyager, NASA, and the James Webb Telescope, because it's a really hot topic right now. It's very easy to go viral. The CPM is absolutely solid, so you don't want to miss that. Yeah, tech niche. I try to stay away from Tesla videos. I think I've only had 2 Tesla videos pop off. So for me, Tesla is very saturated. But going to the space niche, if you have a tech channel, I don't see why you can't try some space videos, space exploration videos. So now the last example is the make money online niche. So instead of just doing, I'm guilty of this on my channel, but that's because I already have somewhat demand or traction for top 10 ways to make money online, something like that. Why not make your make money online channel and specify it to relatable softwares or methods of making money online instead of just doing a general make money online video? So here we have a channel called DreamCloud, 125,000 subscribers. They have making money online related to YouTube videos, animated videos, music videos, DreamCloud Studio, more YouTube videos, Canva. So they're targeting very specific methods of making money online and including that within their title so that it's not just a general video. They're niching down. So takeaway for this video, okay? Brand new people entering the YouTube space, or even veterans who are in the YouTube space, I'm not saying doing top 10 general videos isn't gonna work, but it's gonna be very hard for you to rank those videos and get those videos into the algorithm because they're very general. So as a new YouTuber, I do recommend that you specify your titles or video topics, you niche down, but you can still input into your mix of production general top 10 videos, because the good thing about general top 10 videos though still is that they do go insanely viral. My general top 10 videos in my sports channel, one of them went viral almost 500 days later, and it went insanely viral, instantly netted about 4,000 to 6,000 within a single week. But that was a general top 10 video like this one, 10 most embarrassing records in NBA history. So I'm not saying completely stray away from general top 10 videos, but out of 10 videos, I would say have 7 of them very specific videos, but 3 of them general top 10 videos, because the general top 10 videos, they're likely going to withstand the test of time. Like this top 10 embarrassing records in NBA history, this video is always going to be relevant. 10 biggest freaks of nature in NBA history, this video is always going to be relevant. So that's my spiel. I hope you're not just doing 10 out of 10 general top 10 videos, because you got to specify, you got to target specific names, specific methods, specific TV shows, movies, specific names of athletes. That's one of the biggest keys, and I hope that you take away from this video. But if you watched up to this far, thanks so much for watching, and comment down any comments, questions, or concerns that you have. I'd be more than happy to answer them, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.